All right.
Okay.
Santa Claus came.
He did?
He did.
Are there presents under the tree?
There are lots of presents under the tree.
Pick you up? Okay, here we go. Let's get ready to turn the light on. It's Christmas. We're going down the stairs. Let's get over there, Merrick.
Look at all the presents that Santa brought.
And there's a bicycle.
Wow,
Bicycle.
that's for Lenny.
And there's a house.
That's for Lenny too.
And there's windows.
Oh, look at that.
And there's a little door. And there have the beds.
You must have been a really good girl this year.
She was. Santa was extra, extra nice to you, wasn't he?
Yep.
Do you want to... Look at all those presents, Len and Simone. Oh my goodness.
I guess no one is coming. And look at this.
Whoa, it's a skateboard. Do you think it's for the boy who lives there? Who's sleeping in his bunk bed? Or for the girl? It's for the girl, yeah.
Hmm.
Oh boy.
She likes to go on that skateboard, doesn't she?
His mama and her papa. And she has a little brother.
Yeah, that's right.
And there's a little carrot. Leopard.
Hi, Charlie.
See? And there's her house. What can we use to close the house?
Well, you put everybody inside, and then the house closes. And you know what else? There's a secret room right up there in the attic. You can open the roof if you want to.
What is this?
That's just a shelf that's in their rooms. They have little shelves. And this is the little girl's dollhouse. It's just like yours where she plays.
No, this is her house.
Well, this is her make-believe house for her babies and for her dolls.
Oh.
And this is a truck these are the toys that they play with in their room.
But this is the house.
Yep, that's their kitchen and their dining room table where they eat their porridge. And there's the stove and the sink. And look, you can close. You put her inside, the mama.
All of this.
What goes inside.
Charlie.
And the carriage. And you can close the doors. Yep, and then you can close these shutters so that they go to sleep for the night. And then you can go, hello, who's home?
This is Christmas 2012. Charlie Bird.
That's for Uncle Jesse. And Sure.
That's my
Papa, can you move it? Oh, you've got the.
The
hold on.
battery.
Wait. Charlie's holding on to it. Let me get it for you.
All right.